first of all, your thoughts on the Kurds entering northern Iran. There's been some speculation that they've already started to move in. Do you think that's going to be positive for the region or negative?
First of all, I know for a fact it's happening. So it's not a secret anymore. It's a well-known phenomenon that the Kurds advancing into Iran. In the backstage, I think that America, United States and Israel were preparing the Kurds to do it for a while. So it's not like one day the Kurds decide to take the weapons and go. They're warming up for that occasion. I think since the 12 days of the other operation that America and Israel joined together, the last operation, not this one. So basically, it's like, it's like a bow and an arrow ready to release. So now the release also of basically the Kurds will function as boots on the ground instead of America because of the criticism of the American that don't want to see another war that basically our sons and daughters will be slaughtered in a foreign land.